This is an interesting question. Um, LM, a limb ball. Is that of type LM? No. Universe, the small types of sets. Here we go. Okay, so M0 set, if yeah, that's fair. Hmm. No, I think this is fine. Um, use a row here. Because in this case, x and y are not terms, or not preterms. They're just they're variables. What else does CEO need? Uh, well, okay, let's. Can I make this smaller somehow? This needs to be omega. This needs to be omega. This can be 0. And this one is of type, what is it? It's like equal X class or something. CEO. Whatever. Whatever it says up there. And then in return, and this can only be used 0 or 1s. Wait, what? This can only be used 0 or 1. Is this just some random bullshit semantic thing? Does this even matter? Either way, it looks like this is fine. You can use the omega here because in this case, x is not a term. It's a variable. It's only like this is a term. So sigma has to be in Jesus Christ. Sigma has to be in 0 or 1, but rho can be in, oh, there's no rho, whatever. But rho can be in 0, 1, omega. So I think this is totally fine. Like we don't have to worry about it. It's not even it's not even clear to me exactly the context, what this means for this to be 0 or 1. I guess this is saying you can't spam out CO instances between X and Y. No, no, that doesn't make sense. This is like within a context or what? Like, can I have two HPO CEOs? Like, according to this rule, I can. I can have two of them. Is this just saying I can't use literally the same function with two separate... Or is this saying I can't return the function, and that's the problem? Like, this is saying that I can't have like a x in S returns hpo.co? No, because you can do that. You can do that. There's no usage annotation on function returns. It's saying that I can't do it like this. Like x is infinity. No, because the x is fine. What is this even saying? It's saying that hpo.ceo what is the type of this even? It's a function type. So whatever this nonsense is, we'll call that S. So I can't take this in a function and return something? I don't even know if this matters. This seemed like it... This... So you can't do this, essentially. Well, I mean, G, G, G. So you can't go f of hpo.co. You can't put constructors into functions is essentially, I think, what this says. And why? What's the problem with doing that? The problem is you can take some linear resource and make it non-linear. So if you take some linear resource, This seems rather esoteric. So if you have some single use constructor, you can make it an infinity use constructor. Is that what I'm reading? I tell you what, these people really need to get better examples. It's not clear to me that this even matters. And it's not clear to me what this even says because it's fucking tiny. Computer scientists, get better notation. Uh-huh. So A is what we're creating the multi-resource of. The attempt to substitute this function for G, then to push the two terms in half. How long have I spent on this? Over an hour. All right, let's move on. It's not clear to me this matters. Maybe what I'm building will end up inconsistent. That's plausible. But I'm gonna stick to the rule that essentially constructors can only be used as 0 or 1. You can't give a constructor to an infinity function, to a function that expects something that's infinite use, essentially. So if we have an f that expects something that's infinity use, right, like this, then can't give a constructor. Okay, let's put that behind us. All right, let's come back. How long was I going? A minute, an hour 7. All right. Where am I? Here. Wow, so now we can do some fucking programming. Jesus Christ. With usage. And we've got the primitive, we've got claim alias prim sum prod lambda function equals bind. Some other ones that I want, macro introduces a typeless S expression transformer, I guess. What else do I want other than macro? Can I do match? I don't know if I can make match without having it built into the language, because the thing is, it's the sums and the prods or whatever it ends up being that will mark that you can match on something. I don't think it's obvious that you can match on something without language support. So deconstruct a value, I guess. Anything else? We can add stuff later. I think this will do for now. I'm just going through some notes I have from before. Yeah, this looks fine. Okay. So these are the fundamentals that we're going to start with. Do we start with claim? Maybe.